Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by setting your controller sensitivity low enough to keep the sway smooth. This reduces jitter and lets you time entries. Once done, pick a lighter boxer so lateral speed is reliable and position your feet with weight on the rear leg to store momentum. Now, gently pull back to bait. This readies you to explode into the sway. Make sure to practice the initial pull in a training round to feel timing before engaging an opponent. You execute the sway by pulling back briefly and then flicking the left stick laterally with controlled speed. This creates the visual and mechanical sway that dodges incoming strikes. As you sweep inside, release guard for a sliver of time to let your hitboxes pass. That tiny opening allows you to close distance without blocking. Then, immediately chain a tight counter, either a fast jab or compact hook, so your momentum converts into damage. Practice the timing in rounds until the entry to count. You finish the sequence by snapping back into a neutral guard quickly so you're not vulnerable to second-chance strikes. This protects you while resetting for the next exchange. Once landed, use a short step back to re-establish stance and avoid overcommitting forward where you can be punished. If your sway fails or you get clipped, slow the input timing and reduce sensitivity. Back out for 1 to 2 seconds and try the entry again with a deliberately slower lateral flick to correct the window.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.